I am pretty sure I just found my third set of the year. Let's see what they are. Yeah, a little chewed on. Yeah, it's definitely, I can't tell if that's this year's or last year's or not, but that's definitely a set. I just found that set like 20 yards that way. I was walking along this deer trail, and I don't know how I got a glimpse of it, but I seen that little tine there. And there's this little horn. A little freshy. I just started to look again after I found that set too. I just found number 4 of the day. Looks like a pretty decent one. Oh yeah. Freshy too.